Today I will show you how you can grow a thicker beard with 5 tips for a strong beard. Choose the right beard style for you. One of the most important things when it's coming to grow a strong beard is to choose a beard style that really fits you. But how do we know which is the correct shape for us? You have to check these following points to make a good decision. First, your genetics. For example, if you can't grow facial hair on your cheeks, then a full beard is maybe not the right goal for you. Check which are the strong parts in terms of growth and thickness and try to get something that really fits your strong parts. Number 2 is your face shape. If you have a really tiny chin, it can be good to grow a longer beard in general, because it will make your face look longer and more masculine, and that mostly makes you more attractive. Number 3 is your overall style. If you're wearing mostly suits, then a Hulk Hogan beard is maybe not the right goal for you. So make sure to fit your general style with your beard shape. The 4th point are your personal favors. A more psychological but very important point is to grow a beard that you really like. Let it grow. The most simple point of the video, but guys, please let it grow and don't cut it. Don't even trim it at the beginning. I would recommend to at least grow it 1 or 2 months without doing anything to it, depending on your speed of growth and your goal. If you want a long Viking beard, your no trim stage should be maybe a little longer than the stage of someone who only want to grow a small goatee. The facial hair grows in different speeds in the different sections of your face. So let it grow for a while to make sure to get everything to a decent length before putting your beard shape in. After the growth stage, you can show your barber a picture of your beard goal and let him do a setup trim. You could also do it at home. If you want a video where I show you how to trim your beard at home, let me know in the comments. After the setup trim, you can continue growing your beard with small maintenance from week to week. Small maintenance and the use of the right products. After the setup trim, you want to make sure to keep the beard in shape but still allow it to grow. I can only talk through my own experience, and I got the best results with shaving the contours like 1 to 2 times a week, scissor trimming the upper lip mustache like 1 time a week to prevent to get it in your mouth every time while eating, for example, and doing full maintenance trims on the whole beard every 2 to 3 weeks depending on your beard length and speed of growth. Also, make sure to take care of your beard. Use a proper beard soap to clean your beard at least 3 times a week, and make sure to use beard oil every time you did the cleaning. Depending on your beard, you can use the beard oil on a daily basis. That's what I do for years and I get good results with it. All other products like wax or beard balm are not necessary, but they can come in handy to just look good while growing. If you need more help with beard products and how to use them, make sure to let me know in the comments and I make a video about it and show you how to use beard products properly. Nutrition and lifestyle. If it's coming to hair growth and especially beard growth, we have to take a look on your nutrition and your lifestyle. If you want to grow healthy hair in a good speed, you need to give your body the chance to do so. Make sure to eat enough protein and fat to allow your body to build up on something, and don't get low on testosterone. Make sure to drink enough water daily and get in your vitamins just to give your body and hair the best fuel to just grow healthy and fast. Also, you should do some sports constantly, because that will not only boost your testosterone, what affects on the speed of growth, it also will make you healthier in general. The last point is sleep. You have to make sure to give your body enough time to recover, so I would recommend at least 7 to 8 hours a night. These points maybe seem a little bit off topic, but if you want to grow healthy hair and just feel healthier in general, it's definitely important to talk about these points. And it will raise your hair growth potential in the normal hair and in the facial hair. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in 1 day, my friends. Same as your beard won't grow in 1 week. Just give your body the time to do its thing and enjoy the process of growing. Keep your goal in mind and check out some inspiration on Instagram to just stay motivated. Of course, I got more tips for your beard, so if you want to see a part 2, let me know in the comments. I guarantee you, if you follow these 5 tips, every one of you can make the most out of their beard potential. If there are any questions left, let me know in the comments or go on my Instagram profile and DM me. I try my best to help you. If the video was helpful, feel free to hit a like button and subscribe to the channel for free for more content. Keep growing, my friends. See ya.